So many Gujjus around. Is it Tarak Mehta 100th episode celebration out here? No Gujjus. Okay. So basically, I'm a media professional. So that means I know nothing about life, but I behave as if I decide who wins the Oscars. Okay, so that's about me. I've been unemployed for quite some time, and I will give you a few reasons why, and I don't think you should follow those. Which is, in an argument with him, never call him a chew. Don't use this keyword at all. And never bring his mother and sister into the conversation. Please. You can do that and stay in the job. Mike.
Still not working. कर दिया मैंने।
हाँ चल।
Now, can you guys hear me? Okay. So, this being an MBA college, there are a lot of hardcore subjects like strategic management, financial planning, and organizational behavior. But, guys, in the real world, there's only one thing that works, which is hard sucking up to your boss. Okay. So, I think we should suggest to the college, instead of an MBA, we should have a course called MSA, Master in Sucking Up Activities, which will have subjects like ego management, boss ke bacche ka behavior, and stuff like that. So, as I told you, I am unemployed. So, I've been watching a lot of TV these days, and I've come across this ad which features Dhoni and this kid who wants to pee very hard. So he takes this kid to his dog house, and the kid pees on the dog house, and this is because the dog peed on Dhoni's bike. I mean, I'm happy that it wasn't a kid who didn't pee on Dhoni's bike, because otherwise next thing would have seen is that this kid's father walks up in the middle of the night, opens the door to his kid's room, and there Dhoni is peeing on the kid's cradle. Hey, तू मेरे बाइक पे सुसु किया ना, अब मैं तेरे cradle पे सुसु करेगा. I mean, come on यार. Australians का गुस्सा इस पे मत निकालो. So the elections just happened, and 46% turnout, which is reminds all of us of our highest score in college. And BJP Shiv Sena won, and the effects of that are already seen right now. Amog Randive is the judge. So Marathi Manus walks. Come on. So and a lot of parties tried their best. Some gave money, some gave food, but BJP hit the nail on the head. They really connected with the Aam Janta. You know why? They distributed porn. They distributed porn to the Janta. ये देखो हमें वोट दो. रूपा की जवानी लो और हमें वोट दो. चिकनी चमेली लो और हमें वोट दो. So this is what has really worked for them. And as an alert Mumbai, every morning I get up and read the sex book. Okay? So there's this. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of couples who are asking, we've just had sex, and what should we do? When should we take the contraceptive? I'm just wondering if Dr. Mahendra Vatsa doesn't answer on time. Do they not take the contraceptive pill? Do they have the kid? And if they have the kid, so बच्चा आके बाद में पूछेगा, मम्मी कैसे पैदा हुआ? बेटा तेरे पापा टाइम पे रुके नहीं और डॉक्टर ने ठीक टाइम पे जवाब नहीं दिया, इसलिए तू पैदा हो गया. I mean, what is this? So 2012 is here, and we have a race against time where we see the next year or not. But the more fiercer race is going on with Sachin Tendulkar. Will he score the 100th century first, or will the world end first? Basically, I'm a huge fan of his, and but it's really getting a bit irritating now. He's becoming the Devanand of cricket right now, because you want him to stop, but you don't know how to tell him that. So thanks for listening to me, and I mean even my girlfriend hasn't heard me for such a long time. So thank you, you've been great.